So we're back again, wild camping on Kinder Scout, and in true Kinder Scout fashion, it's absolutely camping down. Nearly 10 to 6 and it's still raining. Let's get it to stop at 7, so hopefully we'll stop just in time for the sun going down about 7:30, 7:45. So should be able to start from there and get this wild camp underway. It's finally stopped raining. We're up on Woolpack's Kinder Scout. We got here about 4 o'clock. Set tent up about 4:30, and just we're in for 3 hours. It absolutely downpoured for 3 hours solid. Stopped about 7:30ish, and it's turned out to be a quite nice evening. Possibly might get sunset, might not. It's a bit misty. I'll show you around and show you where we are. Here with Steve again. Obviously you can see that's boat rain clouds, what's just gone over us. Nice little view, turning out to be a nice evening. So yep, I'm gonna sit, have us beers, chill out, and watch the sun go down. Catch you in a bit. It's been a decent camp. Really foggy this morning when we got up, so we're back to sleep. But just packing away now. We're gonna have a cuppa and we're gonna head off back down. Yesterday, like I seen, he absolutely chucked it down. And last night about 2 o'clock, I got woke up with wind, really bad winds. But every time I use this tent, it just seems to be better and better. Can't complain about it at all. I mean, 3 hours of heavy downpour, not a one drop of water in it. And high winds last night, never moved. So, yeah, it's been brilliant. Anyway, that's it for this camp. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you on the next one. I just wanna see the light.